Good morning from snowy New England. Just watching WBZ Boston 4 here about this huge snowstorm that some areas have gotten over 20 inches of snow. Actually, where we are, I'll put the computer down, and you can probably hear the plow going up the street. We've probably gotten not much, a couple inches. I'm surprised they're actually plowing this because it's still snowing, but nothing. It's probably been mostly light all night. I can see it snowing through the phone. So we were originally supposed to have gotten a foot to a foot and a half, and then last night at 11 o'clock I see they downgraded it for western New England to 6 to 12, but I don't know. We're really on the fringes of this storm, and Boston's showing it's the blizzard of 2015, but it's more or less coastal Cape Cod, South Shore Boston, stuff like that. But here, this is like nothing to get excited about. Our store was so busy yesterday, people thought they'd be buried for days. You can even see the roof. There's really not much. Like I said, barely a couple inches, I'd say. We may get 6 inches out of this, but it's supposed to start pulling away, start tapering off. It's very light. But they showed a lot of flooding on the coast. I don't hear too many what do you call, accidents or anything, but this is what WBZ Boston, they got a live feed today. Audio's getting choppy. I was doing that earlier on my tablet, but probably a lot of people trying to log on to it, but lots of power up on Nantucket. Whole island's without power. But it's really an interesting storm that was, I think, over-exaggerated for us because it was further east. New York City was supposed to have gotten 30-plus inches of snow, and they hardly got anything, I guess. So they do make those little mistakes periodically, but it's definitely an interesting storm for eastern Massachusetts. My brother-in-law lives down near Worcester, Grafton, Mass, actually, and I sent him a text this morning, and he said that they're not used to this kind of snow. They moved here from Virginia, and they've got about 20-25 inches of snow in that Worcester County area, so definitely been an interesting morning. I've got my scanner on, and I haven't heard any local accidents, or they're telling people to stay off the road. Fortunately, today was a scheduled day off for me, so I didn't have to go to work. So there goes the plow again. You can probably hear it. But I was going to listen to the scanner a little bit this morning. We're not going anywhere in that, and I think it's supposed to start tapering off this afternoon. But I have not seen it heavy at all. Let's go look up the street here. It's 9:20 Tuesday morning, she just said. Like I said, I mean, I'm judging this. It's really minimal snow. 3, maybe 4. Anything south and east of us has definitely gotten more. I don't know about the Springfield area, but definitely it's snowing. But as you can see, it's very light. I wouldn't even call it moderate. Okay. So, like I said, it's a very interesting morning. So that's where we stand right now. Like I said, I don't think there's going to be any more excitement. And not to change the subject, but these I'm really impressed with these routers. They're so good. These R7000 Netgear Nighthawks. I'm gonna upload the video on Time Warner on this one because I think my upload is over 5 megs per second, and Verizon's only a little over 1. So I'm gonna see how long it takes. I'm at a 5.5 minute mark now on this video, so. But we're going to try that and see how long it takes to actually upload. So, thanks. Have a great day.
East of Nantucket right now. It's going to come back up to the Gulf of Maine, the skirt out north and east, back in through Nova Scotia here. Heaviest bands of snow in position from Maine back down in through eastern Massachusetts.